Good evening, everyone. My name is Ninola Emelari, and I'm here to discuss to you what is domain name system and DNS namespace. So let's start. What is domain name system? The domain name system, or DNS, is a critical component of the internet that translates human-readable domain names into machine-readable addresses. This system allows users to access websites using easy-to-remember names instead of numerical addresses. So, sabot ang domain name system kay siya ang like makatabang gud nato na atong ibutang na lang sa atong iswat sa website iyahan na lang domain kaysa kuan particular na iyahang IP address niya kaysa sago-sago pa ta sa iyang IP address. So instead gamiton na to iyahang domain name niya para easy to remember ba. Ali naman sa kung gamiton mo yung muhang gamiton ni mga yung domain name sa iyang IP address. So next, domain name. Domain name is any text or string that you physically entered in your web page. So mao ni ang tawag na mo enter ka dito sa iyang web page niya. fb.com, youtube.com, example kana mao na domain names. So IP address is a unique numerical identifier assigned to each device on the internet, allowing for communication between devices. So mao to yung IP address katong number, numerical identifier. Mao tong yung IP address. Next is DNS resolver. The DNS resolver acts as a punto bridging the gap between human communication domains, domain names, and machine communication, the IP addresses. When you enter a domain name, the DNS resolver searches for this corresponding IP address. So mo na siya mo enter ka sa iyang domain name ang mo kuha na si mo din gamito ni DNS resolver iyang buhat nga mo search sa iyang kuan sa iyang corresponding na IP address niya ana. Okay, dayo if the resolver does not have the IP address cache, it queries the root server, which directs it to the appropriate top-level domain, TLD server, ultimately leading to the alternative name server for the specific domain. So, sabot dire ko dili match iyang IP address sa dito sa iyang domain kay diri na mo kuan iyang DNS resolver o like mo resolve pa no error na siya ingana. Next is DNS name system. The DNS namespace is the set of all domain names that are registered in the DNS. These domain names are organized into tree-like structure, with the top of the tree being the root domain. Below the root domain, there are a number of top-level domains such as .com, .net, and .org. Maonis DNS name system. The next one is the root server. Maonis mga steps sa ni DNS system sa mga step ni DNS resolver. DNS namespace sa DNS namespace. And sa root server, first step, root server are DNS name servers that operate in the root zone. These servers can directly answer queries for records stored or catch within the root zone, and they can also refer other requests to the appropriate top level domain server. So mao ni si root server, iyang buhat sa pag-store or catch di sa root zone. Mao ni siya, and pwede sa mo request to the appropriate top level domain. So ikaduha is top level domain server. So din is hierarchy. The top level domain TLD will represent everything that follows the final dot, the domain name. Mao ni si top level domain server TLD nga. So first stop to the root zone. So authorized name server, authorized authoritative DNS name servers are responsible for providing answers to reclusive DNS name servers about where specific website can be found. So mao ni siya kakato yang name yun, the final name niya, like root server ang name itong dot niya, common sa dot www.com niya ang authoritative name server ikato na mga iyang authoritative name jud sa J name jud ani like abc.com na ano name ron on jud yang domain name na ba nga na mao to. So I have here an example sa din is namespace, like here makita ka diri na root stat na yun. So first step the root, and then the second one is the top level domain TLD, .org, .com, .edu, and then AU. And the third one is the second level domain. Ano to? So yung name, like the authoritative name tulo, and the last part yung like bisagod sana yung mga bato like katong www dot and http kato connect na siya. So yeah, muna ako like understand study is what I study. And in summary, the domain name system is essential for making the internet user friendly by allowing us to use memorable domain names instead of complex numerical IP addresses. This system ensures seamless communication between users and vast network of devices on the internet. Manigamit sa domain system instead of magsuwat-suwat na sa yung IP address, sabuhon pa nato nga na no need na naman tayo domain name. Instead may tonto na to yung domain name sa yun pa. So that's all, and thank you for watching, and I hope you understand my discussion, and thank you and God bless.